Good afternoon. My name is Alain Tello Robledo, founder of AtelTrainer's Ancestral Healing Center. For many years, I have been retired from society. In my silence, I have been building with my own hands the center. On weekends, Maciel, my partner, and Chantal, my daughter, have been helping me. Today we present to you this center. Hope you are going to enjoy. Thank you.
Alain has healed of all his illnesses of the past, following his solitary path towards his essence, only accompanied from the distance by his wife, Maciel, and me, his daughter Chantal. But Alain has never been alone. The forest of the small valley of Ortunas welcomed him since the beginning. His small tent was his home until he built what we present to you today with his own two hands, and with the help of my mother Maciel and I on weekends. His only guide is his own essence in connection with. He moved away from all, society, family and friends, but we trusted his intuition, and both I, Chantal, and my mom, Maciel, are his only connections with society. A few months ago, Alain told me that the time had come to open up to the world, since the great change is coming, and coronavirus is only the first sneeze of a nature that is angry and tired of human unconsciousness. The AtelTrainer's books. Book 1, Psychofitness Holistic. Book 2, Zen Sport. Book 3, Transcendental Training. Book 4, Transcendental Love, Ancestral Healing. Far from any religion and human belief. Thank you, and see you soon.